Sheet metal fabrication is the process of forming parts from a flat metal sheet of uniform thickness by stamping, punching, cutting, and bending. Now, to get started with sheet metal, we'll go to New, Metric Sheet Metal. Now, if it doesn't say metric here, you can go up to Edit List and change this to metric. Metric Sheet Metal. And you'll see the icons for sheet metal are all grayed out at present. So we have to start with a sketch. And in this case, I'll just use a simple rectangle by center. And I'll put a rectangle right at the center here. And I'll make that 100 by 80. Now, this rectangle is going to represent my flat sheet of metal. To give it thickness, what I can do is simply go up to the select icon, select anywhere in this region, and pick on the arrow. Then it comes up with a number here that's 1. It's saying the default is 1 millimeter thick. I'll change that to 2 and hit enter. So there's my thickness for my sheet. Let's pause for a moment to go over some terminology. Here's our original plate. Here's an example of some bends here and here. This is a tab flange. And here's what we call bend relief, and that prevents tearing during the bending process. Here's a corner where 2 or 3 bends meet. These are cutouts here. And this is an example of a procedural feature. In sheet metal, this initial plate is referred to as the base feature. Now, if we wanted to create some sort of a cover, we could do this by simply identifying these edges. I'll start with this side, identify the edge, and I'll see these 2 arrows. I want to select the smaller arrow, and I'll just pull down on that. And I'll put in a dimension of 30. Go to this front edge, grab that edge, grab the smaller arrow, and I'd like to make it the same size, and so I'll lock to the vertex point right there. I'll grab this back edge, grab the arrow, and again lock to a vertex and make that the same height, and rotate that around, grab this edge, grab the smaller arrow, and select the vertex. And there we've created a cover. Let's go ahead and save our cover. We'll click on the Save icon. And notice the extension for sheet metal documents is PSM.